Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I have another cryptocurrency tutorial video for you, and I'm going to show you how to buy SHIB, or the Shiba Inu token, on Coinbase Pro. Super easy tutorial. Let's get started. Here I am on the app here, and I just need to touch it to open it up. And here we go, and you're greeted by this screen here, the markets screen. And then what you can do is you can just type in SHIB here. And I'm going to do the SHIB USD because I want to use USD to buy it. Or you could also use the USDT if you wanted to do that. But I already have some USD in my account, so I'm just going to use that to buy it. And if you haven't been paying attention, SHIB is going crazy lately. I did a review of SHIB about 4 months ago, and I should have bought a bunch then. Anyway, I'm going to buy some now, and I'm just going to click buy here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to come up here and click the limit. I'm going to just do a market order. That's just the easiest way to buy it. And then I'm going to click on here USD, and then I want to buy, I'm just going to do the max. So I'm going to buy $500 worth, but there's a fee of $2.48. I'm fine with that fee. It's hard to get around fees. Every exchange that you use is going to have some kind of fee. And $2.48 on a $500 purchase is not too bad of a fee. And then that tells me how many SHIB I'm going to get. And then I'm going to preview that order. And it looks good. And then just hit place buy order. And then the market buy order has happened. And there you go. It's easy as that. I bought SHIB. And if I come back here to my holdings on my portfolio, there we go. I see the Shiba Inu, or the SHIB token, 7.6 million SHIB right now in my account. Well, there you go. That is how you buy SHIB, or the Shiba Inu token, on the Coinbase Pro mobile app. If you want to check out my Shiba Inu review video, I'll put a link to where you can find that down below in the description. Also, there's a little eye up in the corner. Click that and you can find that as well. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy trading everyone. Take care.